Now, I would like to teach you about the proper way to do engagement. So, one of it is when you like, but it doesn't count much. What count much is when you comment on a certain post. So, for example, if she is eating or she is cooking, you should comment about what she is cooking or the ingredients or something like that, and not just wow, not just oh, it's good. Now you should comment something about the food or what she's eating. The strategy for engagement is that you connect with the people who are reading your feed and commenting on your feed. The strategy is to connect. It is not just a simple comment, but you have to connect so that you can retain your audience. Kung trabaho pa na, customer retention and engagement ang tawag ana. So you need to connect with the people who are engaging to you. So make sure that your comment is relatable and related to the image or video or what he or she is doing on the video and the topic. So dapat good, it should be relatable and related. That is how engagement should be done.